school community. Today I'm going to show you something fun to pass the time. Making bracelets. Such as this bracelet called the candy start. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process and the tools you'll need. 4 different colors of thread, tape, and scissors. You want to make the length of the string about twice the size of your wrist. So like that's about the size of my wrist. I want to double that. So make it like that length. I don't want to make it the same length for all of the other colors. Once you have your 4 colors, make sure to tie them down and put them in a knot and then tape them. Now it's time to make the bracelet. First you grab the thread here and take the other thread and place it in a 4. Then you want to reach through and grab the loose thread and pull out. You want to do this twice
for each color.
Now that I've completed that thread, I move on to the next. Doing the same thing. Make the 4 and pull up. Now that's finished, I set it down here and start with the next color. Your bracelet will look like this. Have fun!